Here's how to top up your Mauritel balance in Mauritania in under a minute using a top-up card, no app or website needed. Top up using your phone dial pad. This is the fastest and most common way to recharge your balance. Scratch the designated area on the back of your top-up card to reveal the secret top-up code. On your phone, open the dial pad and enter the following code, 111 secret code hashtag. For example, if your secret code is 1234567890123 you would dial 111 1234567890123 hashtag. After entering the code, press the call button. Confirmation: you will immediately receive an SMS confirming that the top-up was successful and the balance has been added to your account. If you have any questions about any service on any network, leave your inquiry in the comments. We're happy to help.